boy then, son. Dude, all I would have to do was run up on him. I would have crushed him into the freaking bricks.
Yeah. Well, I can't believe I jumped all so with that. Daniel said one of them was his hoopty.
Right. Bastard. That's your hoopty, you freaking prick, you.
That's my
So,
hoopty.
dude, grab me a freaking, the other 2 waters out of that silver bag on the passenger seat, please. Fucking thirsty as shit. Yeah, that's it.
What's the silver thing? Get this.
It's a cooler bag. Or a heat bag. Keeps shit cold or keeps shit hot. But not both.
Need ice.
No, stuff inside that's cold keeps it cold itself. Nah, yeah, my mother lied. She said you don't need no ice.
It's still doing a good job.
My book bag does a fucking better job, dude, for some reason. My book bag will keep your shit just as cold or a little bit colder for longer, actually.
Well, in the winter time, you're not going to have to worry.
Yeah, nah, and I'll just put them in the snow. Not worry about shit.
Jason Voorhees? Think you can't call me Jason Voorhees?